realised that there were some new areas that we really wanted to discover. And so there's going to be some changes of emphasis at the next event, really in line with what's happening in the market. One of the things we're really going to push is we're going to get the financier side of the business, the finance, the providers of mechanisms of finance, much more involved in the event than was in the past, where we focused purely on the technical. The reason being that, of course, there's a lot of potential projects in Africa. It's very exciting, but they're all seeking finance to be realised, and we see it as our job to put those project developers and the financiers together. And people making those financial decisions often need a kind of high-level view of the technologies that they're developing in. So we're going to develop content specifically aimed for them to add value to their attendance there, apart from the meetings that they'll be having with utilities and project developers going down the road. Also, we've found new outreach methods to the market that we're serving. We're going to make, we're in the process of finalising a very deep cooperation communication deal with EE Publishers down here, one of the most respected publishers in the African space for energy. Typically, of course, being part of the POWER-GEN and DistribuTECH family, we've always been strong on being able to deliver top-class international companies here, and that focus will continue. And then the other thing being that what's coming off the players here when I'm meeting them in networking arrangements and that, they're talking about the content of this show, and they say that it is without doubt the best conference content aimed at the African energy market out there. And from what I've seen, the advisory board is putting together some really cracking content that will move this industry on. In the end, if we look at the value proposition that we offer, generally it's about putting sellers and buyers and business partners together, and consequently we've invested and have for the last 2 years, and will continue to invest in bringing up to 80 hand-picked, very important buyer side delegates to the event. This year will be no different there. However, given what I said earlier about the emphasis also on the financing side, we think that that will be of immense appeal to a very high level of person, that's seeking to get projects in Africa going. And so we think that'll be a very vibrant group that comes this time.